Last week on St. Patrick's Day, of course, we had a very big severe weather outbreak, 21 tornadoes that day across central Alabama, and we're on the eve of yet another severe weather outbreak. Right now, though, in Tuscaloosa, it's a beautiful day. It's warm and sunny, but that's not necessarily what you want leading up to a severe weather event. 79 degrees in Tuscaloosa right now. Temperatures all across our viewing area in the upper 70s, 78 in Birmingham. We got 75 in Coleman. Already getting that warm, moist air off the Gulf of Mexico. We have a flash flood watch in Coleman County. That's because the National Weather Service office in Huntsville issues that for Coleman County, and that extends farther northward. Rest of us not under any sort of warning at the moment, and no rain out there showing up yet, but not too far to the south. Obviously, those storms affecting New Orleans still in progress, and there's some storms now tracking northeast through southern Mississippi. This is along the warm front, and this will eventually make its way into our neck of the woods tonight, but I don't think they're going to be severe per se, at least not the most severe storms, because we need this. We need our upper level low to generate enough lift in the atmosphere and wind shear in order for these storms to potentially turn into supercells, which I think they will tomorrow afternoon, especially across West Alabama. So here's a look at what we've got. Latest severe weather outlook. This is a moderate risk, a 4 out of 5 on the scale for a lot of West Alabama. It extends northward through Huntsville and up into Nashville and over towards Memphis and Jackson, Mississippi. We do have that chance for strong tornadoes likely. That includes places like Tuscaloosa, Fayette, Hamilton, Jasper, and Coleman. A large chunk of our viewing area under the gun for potentially strong, long-track tornadoes tomorrow. Also, the threat for straight-line wind gusts on the order of 70 to 80 miles per hour. And within those strongest supercells, we could see as much as baseball-sized hail. Yep, it's that kind of day, folks. So here's what we've got. This is the FUTURECAST with the instability underneath it. I think that gives us a good idea of how and when to expect the strongest storms to move through. So what we see tonight, not a lot of instability in the atmosphere. Just going to be a lot of heavy rain, maybe some occasional thunder and lightning and some brief gusty winds, but nothing too crazy. Watch how these colors, though. They're going to get brighter as the day goes on tomorrow. Starting early tomorrow morning, still more of the same, occasional showers and storms. As the warm front clears the area, though, we have a lot more instability that'll be coming in. So starting at around lunchtime tomorrow, that's when we need to have our guard up. That's when we have the right combination of lift, shear, and instability, everything we need for these storms to turn severe. And anything that develops, especially farther to the northwest, could definitely turn tornadic in a hurry. And as always, leading up to events like this, it's going to be hard to say exactly where these supercells develop. Just know that within anywhere in this environment, supercells can just sort of pop up in random locations, and they can all turn pretty severe pretty fast. Here comes the squall line at around 8, 9 o'clock. Once the squall line moves through, finally, that's when we're in the clear. Notice that instability finally dissipating at around midnight for a good chunk of central Alabama. So here's what we've got. What we got a review leading up to this event. Know the difference between a watch and a warning. A watch just means that it could happen. Ingredients are there. A warning means it is happening, and that is when you need to seek shelter and take action. Know where your tornado safe spot is. The lowest floor of the building possible. If you have a basement, that's great, but if you don't have a basement, many homes don't in Alabama, go to an interior room away from doors and windows, closet, bathroom. That's perfect for situations like this. Also, if you haven't done so already, download the free CBS 42 News app and turn on the weather alerts. News and weather all in the same app now, so be sure to turn those on before you get to tomorrow. Make sure all your devices are charged up leading up to tomorrow, and just in case the power goes out. Here's that full 7-day forecast. Of course, weather alert for tomorrow. Sunshine sticks around for Friday. A few more storms possible Saturday and Sunday. Not too sure if those will be severe yet, but obviously we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. So if you haven't done so already, scan with your phone now that QR code at the left-hand side of your screen. That'll pull up the App Store with, again, the free CBS 42 News app, latest forecast and weather alerts, all in the same app. So go ahead and do that now, preparing for tomorrow.